Hey there, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today, we're going to learn how you can make yourself into a Lego. So, the website that you're going to want to go to is MagicHour.ai. It has all kinds of really cool programs that you can use with visuals. Now, you can get started with Magic Hour for free and get a certain number of credits per day. However, there is also a pricing component that you might want to look into to buying credits. But if you just want to try this out for free, go ahead, create an account, and let's get started. Okay, so like I said, there's a number of different programs, but the one that we are going to want is this really cool one in the middle that says AI Image Generator. So it's very self-explanatory. The first step is you're going to want to upload a photo. Now I have this photo right over here that I'm going to drop and drag in, and you can see this nice athlete here on the New York City skyline. Now, a number of different things you can do. Now, you can just create your own prompt. You can ask this to do anything. The results are going to vary, but in this case, one of the presets right here is LEGO Minifigure, and that's exactly what I'm going to choose. So let me go ahead. It says turn the image into a LEGO Minifigure. As you can see, this will cost 50 credits, and if you look up at the top of the screen, you'll notice that you can claim 100 daily credits. So this is something that you can do exactly the same thing for free. So we'll wait a couple minutes for this image to render, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. This is the image. It even made sure to get this little light burst that's on the shirt here. Now, if this is something that you like, what you can do is click the download button, and you'll be able to download a picture file, an image file of that LEGO minifigure. I guess not bad, but let's try another one. Okay, so for the previous one, I just kind of took a stock image. Let me try like an existing image of someone that you'll recognize. Here is NBA star LeBron James. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to try to turn LeBron into a LEGO minifigure. Let's see how this one turns out. And there we go. Not bad. I kind of like this one. You'll notice things like the jersey and logos. The team logo came out really good. The rest, pretty good, pretty decent. I think you can recognize that that is LeBron if you saw him. But overall, not bad. So again, I can click download, and then I could download the image of my LEGO minifigure. So it's that easy. The website, MagicHour.ai. Try this for free and create any image into a LEGO minifigure. So thank you so much for watching. If this is content that you would enjoy, it would be great if you could like, comment, or subscribe. And if you really enjoy this content, please feel free to leave a super thanks. Thank you for watching and have a great day.